Arpeggios make the perfect left-hand accompaniment tool. So whether you're improvising or songwriting or just need to waste some time at the piano, learning a few patterns with your left hand based on arpeggios will open up a whole lot of possibilities for creating mood and energy. So let's take a look at 4 different arpeggio patterns that you can use to make your music really exciting. The first arpeggio I want to look at is what I call the broken arpeggio. So it's a broken chord and we're going to eliminate the third. So if we were playing a C arpeggio, instead of playing this, we're going to take out that third and we're going to go root, fifth, root. Okay, so we're going to do this. It creates movement and energy. When you add the right hand in, simple, and it creates a sense of movement and energy. So try that one out, the broken arpeggio. The second one I want to look at, I call the Rockin Fifths. So kind of an extension on what we just did, but instead of doing this, you're going to rock back and forth here. It's really good for creating mood. Right? This would be great for, I don't know, playing a wedding. You need to fill some space. You could go fast. So that's option number 2. Option number 3, this one might be my favorite. We call this the spa arpeggio. So if you want to create some really relaxing sounds, try this arpeggio out. Back on C, we're going to play the root and the fifth, and then we're going to walk up to the D and the E. So we're going to just walk up 2 more steps. Don't you feel so relaxed already? And you can walk it back down if you want. I'll show you both ways. And then you can fill in, if I'm playing a C arpeggio here, I could play anything based in the C scale with this hand. And then same thing with the A minor. And then F, G, and then finally, we're going to take an arpeggio and we're going to sort of reorder the third. So in the past few, we've been skipping this third. In this version, we're going to take the third and we're going to throw it on top. So we're going to play the root, the fifth, and then the third here. Sounds very pretty. So with A minor, we're going to play the root, the fifth, the third is C, so we're going to throw that on top. Same with F. The third is A, and then G, and then you can do again anything you like with that right hand based on the notes that fit in with the chord or the arpeggio you're playing. And then same thing for A. And then you could work in some spa arpeggios in the next round. See how I kind of took all the concepts and combined them there? So here's our Rockin Fifths, here's a note from the spa arpeggio, and here's the focus on the third, on the top. So totally can mix and match all of these ideas to create whatever you want in that left hand. There's so many possibilities. So there you go. There's a few patterns that you can use for arpeggios in your left hand as jumping off points for improvisations to fill the space when you're trying to play at a gig. Very useful for any kind of event where you have to waste some time. And of course, just to, relax and unwind at the piano. So enjoy these, comment below, let me know what you think, and we'll see you around.